Hello, Darlington here from the Lighter Crew, bringing you a close-out video for our Fund 12 proposal, Project Catalyst, catalystexplorer.com for Project Catalyst research, analytics, and acceleration.
Nice. So could you briefly introduce the project, its purpose, and the problem it was set out to solve?
The big idea behind this proposal was to take all of the good stuff from Lighter Nation, which came to be synonymous with Catalyst tooling, and sort of mature what was an experiment into a V1 product, open source product that lives on its own domain, that has a open source license and can receive contributions from the community. And on top of doing that, we also added some new features. Some of the KPIs were retaining the same traction we have on Lighter Nation, which generally is about 10 to 15,000 views every 30 days, and then during voting period, that 10 to 3 to 4x. And then we had a couple community toolings using our API. Well, we were hoping to migrate them over and improve the API and make it easy for others, additional community folks to build on top of it. And then now that it's open source, hopefully we can have a real open source structure and governance around the code base to be able to take contributions from the community if there are any. But one of my favorite feature that was probably named there just for me is this whole idea of, say you're on a Twitter space and you want to bring up something on Project Catalyst, you can just go to catalystexplorer.com. Without touching your mouse, you can immediately start searching for something, hit enter, and all the entities that matches that search. I call it zero click. We brought all the data over from the Yomagena chain from those archive that the Catalyst team put out. That's all on the site now in raw format. More features coming around that. And then obviously you can compare proposals, you can generate the self-serving metrics, so the charts are not fixed anymore.
So how does the platform support transparency, community participation, and also open contribution within the ecosystem and community?
Some of the main driving factor behind the tool, the initial tool in the first place. Seeing everything that's happening within Catalyst without having to jump through sheets, different websites, and click here and click there. Just being able to see everything on one screen was very, very important to us. And this has led to more community participation, more accountability for projects because everybody can see what's happening. So those kinds of things has been very, very possible because of the tool.
And what are the next steps for the future, also for catalystexplorer.com?
Like when we are looking at the future, more research-rich functionality are coming, like the ability to say, hey, I've created this list, now I'm going to follow it and get notifications regarding anything on that list, whether the project was closed, the project was marked as not finished, they completed a milestone, just really honing into that research functionality. And then some more social features. And thank you so much for your support, and we will see you online.